In today's video, I'm going to show you how I go from this, my normal dry skin with some leftover acne scarring, to this, a fresh-faced, easy makeup look. So stay tuned for my 10-step clean girl makeup routine if you don't have perfect skin. Hi, my name's Tiani. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. We are going to get into clean girl makeup, the trend that has been taking over the internet. Sometimes trends like that can be really difficult, especially for girls like me who don't have perfect skin. Let's hop into the video. First things first, we have to start out with skin prep, and that always starts with a cleanser. I am using the Superfood cleanser by You to the People, and a tip for this is you want to get it wet and work it into your hands and make sure your hands and the product get sudsy before you put it on your face, so you're really getting the most out of it and getting a really deep clean so we can start on a great surface for makeup. Is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hylaronic Cream. It comes in such cute packaging. Really being generous with this. I have oily skin and I also live in the south. It is so hot in Atlanta. Hey Siri, what's the temperature in Atlanta this week?
100 degrees Fahrenheit. And
the sunscreen I use is the Guards Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen by Mercier. If you are a girly like me and battling hyperpigmentation, we cannot afford to skip sunscreen. Primer, my favorite that I love, I probably won't buy another one for a long time, is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and it is so incredibly grippy on the skin. Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. I'm going with this because, like I said, I live in Georgia, it's hot, and I am an oily girl, so I need this around certain parts of my face. I use the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. My brows are a little argumentative with me. Lashes, if you don't put on lashes, don't worry about putting on lashes, just use your normal mascara. Ardell Professional Double Up. So I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Blush, and it's the most pigmented thing I have ever owned. There's so much pigment in this that I think I could just use what is soaked into the dough forever. I want to continue to bring my eyes and my face this way, so I'm gonna actually put my blush in what's gonna seem like a kind of outrageous place. Next is foundation. This is a Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Marquise. Nars Radiating Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Amande. All the way up. And just let your face dry down. I got this fan from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's Place Concealer, and I Am Magic. Mercier Loose Setting Powder, and this shade that I'm using under my eyes is in the shade Translucent. Finely milled that it doesn't even really look like you're wearing any powder. Of course, I'm using Fenty Beauty for the bronzer, so this is the Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. And here is the finished look. This is my version of the clean girl makeup. You can do it even if you don't have quote-unquote perfect skin. And just before I go, I just really have to take a moment of just reflection. I don't even think you can say makeup on YouTube without mentioning Jackie Aina. Jackie has been so influential in my life when I was growing up. Her videos really gave me access to makeup and access to products that worked for me and that actually matched me. Being able to have her as a reference and talking about multiple shades on camera was just amazingly helpful in my young life. And another person I cannot leave this video without mentioning is Patricia Bright. I've been watching her since her handle was Britpop Princess. How long I've been a fan of her, and still today. She also gave me a lot of access and insight, and I'm so thankful to both of those women.